Thanks for taking the time to view this short little video on Infinite Reach ADSL. My name is Steve Vogel, and I'd like to take just a few minutes of your time to give you an overview about how we can help you reach any customer with any speed. Infinite Reach ADSL, what is it all about? How do we reach any customer with any speed? We have a family of analog loop extenders and digital regenerators that help you regenerate the signal along the path of the circuit to, in fact, restore it to its original strength if necessary, to enable you to repeat the signal as often as necessary to reach any customer with any speed. This allows you to extend ADSL to all unserved customers and improves the DSL performance with existing customers. This is the only solution on the market that's available to allow you to reach any customer with any speed, short of implementing DSLAMs. So there again, the product family consists of two basic products. The analog loop extender is essentially a low-powered amplifier that's compatible with existing untreated services. So you can deploy loop extenders alongside untreated customers without any degradation in service on those customers. It improves the distance that the loop extender customers can reach by about 40%, and it's available in line power or express power versions. Then further down the product family, there's a digital regenerator. It completely reconstructs the original digital signal, that is, restoring the digital signal to its original character and its original signal strength. This product allows you to double the distance that you can reach. You can repeat as often as necessary to achieve any speed at any distance. So what are the benefits of our product family? First of all, we've got proven performance. We've got over 1 million ports deployed of ADSL loop extenders. So we have quite a lot of experience. The product has become extremely reliable. It allows you to deliver 2 to 10 times the bandwidth that you can deliver now. These products also help you defer costly remote DSLAM installations. You know, the cost of installing a remote DSLAM can be $20,000, $30,000 if you include the cost of the fiber to the DSLAM or multiple T1s to the DSLAM. Whereas a loop extender is an easy, fast installation. A ADSL loop extender is, if you choose the line power ADSL loop extender, the loop extender installation is just a few minutes. You stop at the pedestal, open it up, scotch lock the loop extender onto the pairs, and toss it in the back of the pedestal. This line power loop extender will reach most of your customers and allow you to do a lot of the work you need to do to reach any customer with any speed. But sometimes you're going to need to have some additional improvements, and so you'll want to progress to the express power or the digital regenerator, and those will take a little bit longer, but still the installation is generally less than 30 minutes. The loop extender works with all standard DSLAMs and modems. That is, there's really no interoperability issues. This will allow you to have new revenue from hopeless causes. That is, you can reach customers that you were never able to reach before and reach them with any speed. You can demonstrate to the PSC, to the Public Service Commissions, as well as your own customers, that you can have 100% availability of broadband today. Let's talk a little bit about the analog loop extender family. The AER 801P or 2P is just a single small little device. It's about the size of 2 king-size packages of cigarettes. You can install this easily in any pedestal. You basically open up the pedestal, scotch lock onto the pairs as they go by, and toss the loop extender in the back of the ped, and you're done. Close it up and go on. It takes 5 minutes. So 1P or 2P, 1 port or 2 port, and then if you have more than 2 port requirements down a route, you can go to 4P, 4 port or 8 port enclosures, and finally we can go to a 24 port enclosure. Inside these enclosures are individual AER 800 C1P cards, so you can add subscriber capacity 1 subscriber at a time. As you go up the product family, we have the DSLAM regenerator that allow infinite reach. Allows this by completely regenerating the digital signal to its original strength. So in this diagram we're showing that you might start out with a loop extender at about 16,000 feet to boost the subscribers beyond 16,000 feet so they can meet the 4.1 requirements of CAF, and then go on to, at 27,000 feet, a digital regenerator, and then you can repeat as often as necessary to reach any customer with any speed. Finally, meeting the CAF standards can be done. If you're meeting the CAF standards for everybody, you could just simply install a digital regenerator at 16,000 feet, and everybody then past 16,000 feet that goes through the digital regenerator can meet the 4.1 standard. The big problem you face when trying to deliver DSL to everybody in your serving area is your last few subscribers in the serving area are fairly sparse. So trying to deliver DSL to these last few subscribers with a traditional DSLAM method can get quite expensive. The big problem with the traditional DSLAM method is that the cost for your fiber cable and the cost for your power is a large part of the total installation of the project. The actual cost of the DSLAM is almost inconsequential. So dividing those fiber costs and those power costs over, say, 10 subscribers, you're going to end up with something on the order of $2,500 per subscriber to deliver service to those last few subscribers. For a ADSL loop extender solution, your cost per subscriber is always in the $200 to $400 range, and that includes all your installation costs for the project. So you see it's a far more cost-effective solution to deliver broadband to your last few subscribers. Power supplies, we have for the express power devices, we have a family of power supplies. First of all, we have this single power supply, which looks a lot like your laptop power supply, the AEC B1P. This product can be ordered with either AC or DC inputs, so it could be deployed at the central office, it could be deployed in a remote cabinet where you have power available, or it could be deployed in the customer prem. And so what the purpose of this product is to take either the AC 110 or the DC 48 input and convert it to 155 or 116 volts output. The AC B4P is a product that you might utilize if you're starting to deploy more and more loop extenders in a central office. The individual power supplies, you've got them scattered all over the central office. They don't necessarily look that neat in the central office, so you can migrate up to the AEC B4P, which is a rack-mounted version that has 4 power supplies in it. And as you continue to install loop extenders, you might then upgrade to an AEC rack that has 26 power supplies installed in it. If you're doing the digital regenerator, we have a special rack for it called the DAR rack, which has the ability to include a management channel to the DAR, to the digital regenerator. So if you're using the digital regenerator, you have 2 options. You can either install the unmanaged power supplies begin with AEC, or you can install the managed power supply rack called the DAR rack. So why Strowger? Well, we have the lowest cost solution. There's really no lower cost solution to reach any subscriber with any speed. We give you the widest selection of locations to install. Some of our competitors have issues with this. That is, they want you to install in a very specific place, and if you can't install in that specific place, then they have severe performance degradation. We have the highest bandwidth available. We can deliver, once again, any speed to any customer. Complies with NEBS, IP66, UL, and FCC. Multiple ports available, or multi-port models are available, which gives us the most compact size, which reduces the cluttered look on the poles on the route. The most lines in service. This product has been in service for 10 years. And we have installed over 1 million lines, so that gives us a great deal of experience in helping you with troubleshooting and issues of that nature. This is the only complete solution that's available that will give you the ability to reach any speed to any customer short of deploying a new DSLAM. So thanks for taking the time to view this little video. Hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us. We have a tech support line or a pre-sales line. And you can visit our website because there's a lot more information available there, www.strowger.com. Thanks a lot.